Hello everyone, welcome to day 8 of Speak English Fluently. Have you ever felt that the English you learned from a book sounds a little stiff or outdated? Today we're closing that gap. We're moving beyond basic grammar and vocabulary to explore how native speakers communicate right now, in 2024. Our focus will be on advanced modern sentences used in both American and British English. These are the phrases you'll hear in meetings, see in emails, and use with friends. We'll start by diving into key American English phrases for the workplace and social situations. Then, we'll explore their British English counterparts, noting the subtle but important differences. You'll learn how to circle back on a topic in the US, or park it in the UK. Finally, we'll cover some universally understood modern phrases that will help you connect with people from all over the world. By the end of this lesson, you'll have a powerful toolkit of expressions to make your English sound more natural, confident, and fluent. Let's begin our journey to speak English like real people. Welcome. Are you ready to elevate your English and sound more like a native speaker in everyday conversations? Often, the English we learn from textbooks can sound a bit formal or outdated. Instead of long textbook phrases, we're going to learn the natural, modern sentences that people actually use at work and with friends. This lesson is your guide to sounding confident and current. We'll dive deep into advanced phrases, starting with American English for professional and social settings. You'll learn how to loop someone in on a project or suggest you circle back to a topic later. Then we'll cross the Atlantic to explore contemporary British English. Discover how to say you're snowed under with work, or that a colleague's idea is spot on. We'll also cover phrases that bridge both cultures, ensuring you can communicate smoothly in any international environment. By the end, you'll have a powerful toolkit of expressions to make your English flow naturally. Let's get started on transforming your conversational skills. Welcome back. Today we're moving beyond basic textbook phrases. We're diving into the advanced, modern sentences that native speakers use every day in real life, both at work and with friends. Mastering these will help you sound more natural, confident, and up to date. Whether you're collaborating with colleagues in the United States or catching up with friends in the UK, we'll explore key differences and surprising similarities. First, let's focus on some powerful phrases common in American English, especially in professional settings. Imagine your boss needs an update. Instead of saying, "I will tell you later," you can say, "I'll circle back after lunch." This is a professional way to say you'll return to the topic later. Or if a project deadline is challenging but possible, you could say, "That timeline's tight, but doable." It shows you understand the pressure, but are confident you can manage it. Need to be included in an email chain? A great phrase is, "Loop me in when you have the draft." It's a clear and efficient request to be kept informed. And if you're too busy for a meeting, instead of just saying you're busy, try, "I'm swamped. Can we push to 3?" It's polite and proposes a solution. Now let's cross the Atlantic and look at some British English counterparts. While the meaning is often the same, the phrasing can be subtly different. Instead of circle back, a British speaker is more likely to say, "Tonto, I'll come back to you after lunch." We could also pencil it in for 2. For a difficult deadline, you'd hear, "It's a bit tight, but manageable. Let's crack on." If plans change, someone might say, "They've moved the goalposts." To be included in updates, say, "Keep me in the loop," or "Give me a nudge if I miss it." If you're overwhelmed with work, you might say, "I'm snowed under. Could we move it to 3?" Or, "I'm tied up till then. Let's pop it in the diary." Confident speakers choose strong words. "I believe so. That's fine with me. Let's do it later." Practice these sentences daily. Your English will sound more confident. See you in day 9.